Hello, Evergreen traders and investors. This is Jaycee de Guzman. Welcome to EquiTalks episode number 22. And today we're going to talk about DoubleDragon. So the underlying question is, should you buy or would you buy DoubleDragon just because its last price is already trading above the 10-day simple moving average? Well, before I drop the answer to that question, let me give you a quick uh, analysis about what transpired on Double Dragon's price action as of November 26, Tuesday. So today, Double Dragon closed at 19 pesos and 80 centavos per share, and it went up by 5.77%. Its total turnover value is not as significant as the total turnover value of index companies. Double Dragon only closed at 9.2 million pesos worth of total turnover value today, and the main drivers are the local traders. On the other hand, foreign investors registered a net foreign buying worth 7 million. So by simply doing basic arithmetic, you can tell that more or less 80% of today's total turnover value or TTV uh, came into or became the net foreign buying of the foreign fundies for today's transactions. And year to date, foreign investors are net buyers. Nonetheless, the size of their participation in trading Double Dragon is not that significant, probably when compared to these foreign investors' participation with the index companies. And that's self explanatory, of course. Foreign investors' bias is on index companies. Okay. Now, going back to Double Dragon, DD's immediate support is pegged at 18.70 while the resistance is at 21 pesos per share. You can click on this chart to see the bigger picture. Okay. Now, my 10 smack D combo is bearish for Double Dragon. So that already means there is no confirmed buy signal yet. As far as my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market is concerned, a confirmed buy signal only appears when the 10 smack D and momentum power indicator are both bullish. Risk level wise, Double Dragon maintains its low risk level based on its historical volatility score of 44.25%. You can see this historical volatility chart on this picture, on this chart's picture. Okay, now for the trade and volume distribution analysis, we can see here that the last price is higher than the VWAP and the dominant range is closer to the intraday high than the intraday low, and that makes a bullish momentum power indicator. But like what I mentioned a few seconds ago, despite this bullish momentum power indicator, its partner, the 10 SMACD, is bearish. So it does not complete a confirmed buy signal yet. Now moving forward, the true market sentiment of Double Dragon for today is bearish. You can see the other statistics on this one. For the true market sentiment end of day or EOD, for the true market sentiment week to date, it's also bearish. You can see on the statistics the top 10 players or the top 10 brokers buying and selling averages respectively. Okay. Now for the month to date, it's a neutral one. So overall, when we add up, the ones that we saw in the EOD week to date and month to date, it's still a bearish overall sentiment coming from the true market sentiment chart for Double Dragon. So for my recommendation, I know this is what you've been waiting for. If you have Double Dragon just because your trailing stop is still intact, I advise that you hold your position. Okay, hold your position. But based on what has been happening on the price of Double Dragon for the past few months already, I can tell that there's no logical reason why you still have Double Dragon in your portfolio. Okay, unless you're going to play a joke by saying that your percentage of risk is all the way to up to 100%. Realistically speaking, nobody sets a risk percentage at 100%. Okay, I've never done that in my entire trading career for the past 19 years, turning 20. I've never done that. So now, for how about for those who are planning to enter a new position on Double Dragon? Postpone that plan, wait for the 10 MACD and the momentum power indicator to become bullish. Now, if you are one of our subscribers at Equilyst Analytics, I highly recommend that you post your request for our latest analysis and recommendation for Double Dragon. Just in case you have this, or if you are interested in trading the name, post it in our private clients forum so that we can give you an updated analysis and recommendation as well. If you'd like to know more about our subscription service and my methodology when it comes to trading and investing, if you would like me to personally teach you through my video, then you can go ahead by clicking on course on our website. Just go to our website at www.equilyst.com. So, and then click on course, the course menu, and then you will see the details of what you will exactly learn, hear from me. What you will learn and hear from me in the video on demand version of this online stock market course or online stock market seminar or whatever you want to call it. Now, again, for our subscription service, please click on the subscribe menu on our website and then read the details of all of those inclusions in our subscription service so that you will learn what you will exactly get before you actually subscribe. All right, so that's it for EquiTalks episode number 22. Again, this is Jaycee de Guzman. Remember, be evergreen.